Hello and welcome to another update video about FET, FETCH.AI. The price is still in the support area today. Obviously, the price dipped further into the support region. Actually, we already reached this sort of target area yesterday. Yeah, this was sort of based on the internals of a WXY structure. The first reliable level to watch is the 100% extension. But due to the strong downturn today across the sector, the market actually also dipped into the standard support region for the fourth wave. If you are familiar with Elliott wave, then you know that typically a fourth wave shouldn't break below the 50% retracement. So not below the $1.28 level in this case. We're holding above that level. So at the moment, there is no confirmation that anything more bearish is going on. I'd rather see this as a wave 4 pullback currently, and it should hold $1.28. That's sort of the main thesis, and it's all about probabilities, of course. At the moment, there is also no confirmation that a low is in place. I mentioned to you already in yesterday's video that the minimum requirements for this correction were completed, but that this doesn't mean that the correction is complete. It just means that structurally, the minimum requirements were completed. We did have a complete ABC structure, and we had enough waves completed, basically. Yeah? And I guess under more favorable circumstances or conditions, the market could have turned around and taken the next path to the upside, but we've extended the correction to the downside. It would have taken a break above this swing high from the 8th of April, the high point at around $2.85, to confirm that a low was in, but that level was never broken. So we extended the correction, actually dipped now into this standard support region, and support levels are between $2.07 and $1.28 with $1.59 in between. And I've also added a microstructure for this last decline now. And we have, I've modified it from an ABC into a WXY structure, even though ABC would be valid. But WXY seems to make more sense to me in this overall scenario and structure. So it looks like this last leg down is now a C wave because the X wave topped on the 28th of March, yeah, here at around $3.50. And then the Y wave is now unfolding, and the Y wave unfolds as an ABC structure. The B wave topped here most recently on the 8th of April. And it seems like the C wave to the downside is now unfolding, and it doesn't look fully finished yet. Looks to me as if it might need one more low. And this here could have been the fourth wave. So 1, 2, wave 3 down. Here this could be a wave 4 rally, which is possibly complete already. And then one more low in wave 5 seems to be a reasonable expectation. And looking just at the structure itself, normally we say that first evidence, first confirmation that a low has formed would be a break above, obviously, the wave 2 high. And that level is at $2.74. So it really takes a break above $2.74 to suggest that the low is in. It would take, however, a break above $2.26 only as a first indication that a low has formed. And that's sort of the difference. I mean, a break above 226 will be a first indication that a low has formed, but it really takes a break above that wave 2 high at 274 for further confirmation. So it's just a level of probability, the level of confirmation that we have to look at here, because normally this small fourth wave wouldn't break above that 50% fib level. So yeah, let me tidy that up here. So that means basically at least one more low seems to be a reasonable expectation here. And as I said, the next support level is at $1.59. But overall in this region, what we like to see is a turnaround in the first 5-wave move up, followed by a 3-wave pullback. And that first 5-wave move up should go above one of these levels I indicated. As soon as we have a low in place, we can then specify the next upside targets further. At the moment, the next upside target points towards $4.72. That's my update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, and please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.